Hello everyone, my name is Austin from Marin Acura, and today I'll be showing you guys a tutorial on how to use the Xirius Xm radio in the 2015 Volkswagen GTI. So, in order to access this feature, what we're going to do is we're going to go to the center console first, and once we do that, we're going to click on the band. Band puts you into the radio mode, so what we're gonna do is click on that, and then it should lead you to these stations. So right now I am on the AM radio, and what we're gonna do is click on that, go to Xirius Xm, and there you have it. And once you get here, it's gonna give you the channel that you are in currently. You can click on the channel so you can see the list that is happening with all the genres of music. There's also podcasts going on and other types of radios that you could feel free to choose from. There is a lot of channels, up to 200. And then tune, if you want to get the specific number that you would like so you don't have to individually scroll. View, the now playing and stuff like that. And yeah, that is pretty much it for this tutorial, you guys. My name is Austin from Marin Acura, and thank you guys for watching.